Is this a look? Wait! Hold up! Wait, what? What's up, sis? It's your girl Kiamani, and I'm back at it again with another video, looking crazy per usual. And today we got us a nice juicy unit. My makeup, how does it look? Today we got us a nice juicy unit. Today we are reviewing a 150% density 13 by 6 28-inch Jerry curl lace front. Period. And in the box came, ooh child, my feet is so ashy. Anywho, what's this called? Lashes came in the box. Boom. Now, I've never reviewed a 28-inch curly joint, so this is gonna be my first time. Actually pretty excited about this because I got a style in mind that I want to do, and off of that, this is what the lace is looking like. Now, this lace does look a little light for my complexion, but I have this lace tinting spray that I'm thinking I'm going to use, so that's not an issue at all by any means. It actually don't look that bad, to be honest, but I got some lace tinting spray that I am going to use on this. And these are not pre-bleached knots, but that's okay because she's finna get finessed. And yeah, so this is what the inside of the cap looks like. 3 combs in the middle, 1 in the back, an adjustable strap. And then I do want to try her on just to see, just so I can show you where she hits. I'm having a hard time. I look like a ghost, don't I? I look like a ghost. I look like a ghost. I know. Sorry, I'm trying to get these adjustable straps in order. 28 inches. And it's gonna be stretched even more once I wet her down. But yeah, she's I go to Turks and Caicos. No, I'm just like, I'm going to Cancun in like a month, and I feel like this is it. This is a lot of hair though, so let me show you the hairline. She don't look that bad. So yeah, what I need to do is I'm about to show you how this lace tinting spray works. Even though I feel like I've used this before in one of my videos, which I did, didn't I? Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna show you how she gets down. I got this lace tinting spray from WIG extensions. I'm an idiot. So this is what it looks like. And I use the color beige. They have, well, I have 3 different colors by them. I have the mocha color, 2 mocha colors, and then 2 goldens and 2 beiges. So all you gotta do is pop her open. I gotta make sure this is the right color because sometimes I tend to forget, and when it's too dark, it don't look right. Let me see. Yeah. Okay, so this is what you just literally spray her down. You see? You probably can't even really see it. So I'm gonna spray her down real quick. And the more you spray, the more, obviously the more it colors. So if you don't want it too dark, lay off on the spraying, because once she's super dark, I don't know how you would like finesse that to make her not be so dark anymore. So as you can see, she matches a lot better, and she's like a brown instead of like a beige. So this is it, halfway done. Let me show you how I got sis finessed. Because you see how she's super big right here, and this is all I did. So you want to just get a spray bottle. Mine, the water, I have no idea like why, but it stinks. The water does. So maybe I should have like changed the water. I didn't feel like it, but whatever. So you're gonna start by wetting actual hair. It'll be way easier if you wet this off your head, but I just hate when my braids get wet or my real hair gets wet, especially because I got my hair straightened under this. So I'm not trying to get sis wet, okay? So I'm going to spray her down like that. And then I am going to take, these curls is cute. And then I am going to take this infusion. It's hard to actually find this. This used to be the shit when I was in like middle school, but like it's hard to find it for some reason. I don't even remember where I got that from because I bought that like maybe like last summer. Maybe you could order it, but like who feels like doing that? Like this is, you know, it's not that deep in my opinion. So wet her down. And this is a lot of hair. And even though it's only 150% density, so that's like an average density, it just seemed way thicker just because of the texture of the hair. And then I'm gonna take this cholesterol. This is just basically like deep conditioner. And then I'm just going to, it's thick, so it really helps to lock in and hold the curls together. Period. Do one of these numbers, sis. That's what we doing. And it's honestly not hard to define these curls. I put too much in this. As you can see, I did not glue my wig down good enough because she's like super like all over the place. This is doing her own thing, okay? Okay. The thing wasn't even open. And since these are a thing right now, I'm gonna do 2 of these in the front. I think that's gonna be a cute little look. I got these off not Amazon. What's that place called? AliExpress. Ha! Who the fuck is that? Who is that? Who is that? Oh, that's just Kiamani. Oh, that's how you coming. That's how you coming, sis. I kind of don't really like the clips, but they're already in here, so. But they're already here, so. Whatever. So again, this hair is from this lovely company. Well, this unit is the wig. So if you did want to pick up anything from them, everything on their company, this wig or whatnot, will be in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.